Hello guys, today I've got the Google Pixel 10a and I'm going to show you how to fix the Face Unlock not working in your device. So, at first you need to unlock your device via normal unlocking. And now, here, get yourself a cloth and wipe the area of your camera. After this slight wipe, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, go to the settings, scroll all the way down to the security and privacy and tap device unlock. Here tap face. Verify yourself using the pattern or pin code. And before deleting your face here, maybe I do recommend to try to remove any screen protectors, any cases you have on, and try to scan your face without all these things. If it does work without, you don't really need to delete your face. But if it still doesn't, tap here this bin icon, delete face model. Now tap add face again, this arrow, I agree, start. And now, get your face here in this frame over here, tilt your head up, and now tilt your head down. Now, done, close your phone, open it. It's done for me. If it's done for you too, that's nice, but if it doesn't, click the volume and power up, click restart here and restart your device. After the process of restart, everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work fine, you need to contact the device support to have your device fixed. And as a final tip that you can sometimes miss is that you need to ensure the good lighting during the setup and use. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.